Number names 10 to 100. Let's read the words using phonetic sounds. 10, t, n, 10. Tw, n, t, 20. T, 30. T, 40. T, 50. T, 60. T, 70. T, 80. GH is a silent blend. It doesn't make any sound. T, 90. Letter E does not make any sound here because the word 9 is a magic E word. Hundred, 100. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.